In this video, we undertake an in-depth bioinformatic investigation to unearth ancient plant genomes and reconstruct botanical ancestry, illustrating how modern computational approaches allow researchers to explore plant evolution across deep geological and historical timescales. The lecture centers on the reconstruction of ancestral genomes from fragmented, damaged, and low-coverage DNA obtained from archaeological and historical plant specimens, a task that demands the integration of bioinformatics, evolutionary biology, comparative genomics, and ancient DNA analysis. We explain how conserved gene regions shared between ancient samples and modern plant species can be identified and used as molecular anchors to infer ancestral genome structure, gene content, and evolutionary divergence. Key bioinformatics tools are introduced and contextualized throughout the session, including BLAST for sequence homology searches, MUSCLE for multiple sequence alignment, and IQ-Tree for maximum likelihood phylogenetic reconstruction, demonstrating how each tool contributes to building a robust evolutionary framework. The lecture also discusses the methodological challenges unique to ancient plant genomics, such as extensive DNA fragmentation, post-mortem chemical damage, sequencing errors, low endogenous DNA content, and contamination from environmental or modern sources. We highlight how bioinformatic filtering, alignment optimization, damage-aware models, and phylogenetic validation strategies are applied to overcome these limitations and improve the reliability of evolutionary inferences. By combining phylogenetic trees with genome-wide comparative analyses, we show how ancestral gene families, conserved domains, and functional motifs can be inferred even when complete genome assemblies are not available. The session further explores how reconstructed ancestral genomes provide insights into major evolutionary processes, including plant diversification, domestication, adaptation to changing environments, and the emergence of key biological traits. Designed for students and researchers in plant science, genomics, archaeology, and bioinformatics, this video bridges theoretical concepts with practical analytical workflows, emphasizing reproducible and data-driven research practices. Ultimately, the lecture demonstrates how bioinformatics serves as a powerful lens through which the genetic past of plants can be reconstructed, connecting present-day genomes with their ancient botanical ancestors and deepening our understanding of the evolutionary forces that shaped modern plant diversity.